In Western Mass News is your school authority, and tonight we're getting answers on how private colleges in Springfield are adapting to their new COVID-19 restrictions.
Many viewers also reached out wondering how those college campuses are keeping their students and the local community safe.
Western Mass News reporter Alyssa McCann has the details.
Classes have been back in session for a few weeks now at Springfield College and American International College. With the start of the new school year comes new COVID-19 protocols that students and staff are adjusting to.
It's been an adjustment for us all. We had to add specific, COVID-related policies to our conduct manual.
Matthew Scott, the Vice President of Student Affairs and Dean of Students at American International College, says the majority of the students at AIC are working remotely, but those on campus need to be vigilant.
We have lots of new protocols, certainly universal mask wearing, anytime that a student is inside of a building or when they're outside and can't maintain the physical distancing.
Along with the mask wearing at both institutions, students are being tested. As of September 15th, 2 students have tested positive at Springfield College, 3 at Western New England University, while AIC reports they had a few positive cases involving students who were coming to campus for the first time.
Before they were able to move in, we did have some that a couple that did have some positive test results, but they were never able to live on campus. They went through their isolation period, and then they were able to move on to campus after that.
Many viewers have reached out to us at Western Mass News, concerned that college students are not following social distancing guidelines or mask wearing. But Love says the students understand how serious these restrictions are.
I have communicated directly to the student population that if they host or attend an off-campus party or large social event, they will be suspended.
While at AIC, Scott says they are asking students and staff to report any concerns about parties or tips that they have.
So if somebody comes forward and they say, you know what, I was at this party over the weekend, I'm really concerned about it. It seemed like, there were a lot of people packed into one space. They can come forward and they won't be processed through the conduct system the same way.
Both colleges say they are confident that their institutions and students are following the proper protocols, and they are even working with local Health and Human Services Department to help with contact tracing. For Western Mass News, I'm Alyssa McCann.
Western Mass News is your school authority. You have questions or concerns as schools are opening back up, and we're getting you answers. You can call us with those questions at 413-846-0200 or email us at schoolauthority@westernmassnews.com.